These are the Amazon Essentials 5-pocket relaxed fit twill men's pants. These are really great pants. This is the navy blue color here. I have these in multiple colors. I have several pairs of each of these. Very, very nice pants. Very happy with them. They hold up to washes and things like that. You get a lot of wear out of these. They're not, they're made very well, and they look really good too. So basically, when you wash them, they wash really nice. They really hold the color, and what I like about them is they're true to size. So if you know you wear a certain size, you could buy it over and over again across the different colors, and they always hold the true fit. So this way, you're not like trying on one size, between different brands, where like one brand will fit in this size, another brand is a different size. These are consistent across all the colors and the same size. But again, I'm a repeat buyer of these. They hold up really nice. I have these in the navy, the black, the khaki, the gray. They just go really well with casual outfits, and they have a really nice stretch material in them. So they're not going to be like super skinny, tight jeans or things like that. So they fit really nice. They have that little bit of stretch that's needed in pants like that. So definitely want to check this out. Highly recommend these if you're looking for some new casual wear to add this to your wardrobe. Really great item.